news platform is busy talking about the attack on Saif Ali Khan. But in this entire din and bustle, some very important points have been missed. Like they say, we often miss the woods for the trees. A lot of focus on the fact that Saif had to face intruders into his house and the fact that he's a big celebrity, he's a big Bollywood star, so his images are being splashed all across. One understands that there is a frenzy right now, a media frenzy over this story. But some points which have to be raised and must be questioned. First, the police, of course, says it's a trespassing incident. Those are the sections applied. There is no intent to murder section that has been applied so far. But trespassing in an area like this, in a home like this, it raises several questions. I mean, movie stars always have that extra layer of security because one can understand they are sought after. People want to see them. People want to get a glimpse of them. These movie stars, whether it is Saif Ali Khan or Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan or any of the movie stars in that league, always will have extra protection. They not only have the common building security, they have private security. And then they have all these monitoring mechanisms to ensure that no intrusion happens. They factor that in when they build their residences, when they move into flats, because like I said, there is so much curiosity around their lives. Paparazzi is always lurking around. There is only so much access that can be given, and therefore it is rather surprising that a trespassing has happened in such a home. Number two, the intruder enters this high-rise building and this particular flat in the 5th floor and goes completely undetected. Bad enough that he managed to enter the place or access the place with no interception. He managed to exit as well with no interception, with no intervention, with nobody getting a whiff of it. How is that possible? So this intruder was so familiar with the lay of the land, with the inside of this or the layout of this building, that he knew exactly how to enter and exactly how to exit. What does that tell you? Was he familiar with this place? Because again, the police says there was no forced entry. So was this a familiar entry? Was this a friendly entry? Was he known to the family? This particular point has to be explored, and the police must come up with answers. It is not enough to randomly pick up a guy and say, listen, within 24 hours we've got a suspect. You have not confirmed he's the guy. And the third question arises, why Saif? Why was this particular residence chosen? Bandra, those of us who live in Mumbai know, is a posh area. It's a very secure place. It's again, one of those places where so many of these Bollywood celebrities live, and it is not one of those places where there is a very severe, a crime-infested sort of a place. So here is somebody who specifically targeted Saif Ali Khan and his home, and he not just managed to enter the building, he entered the kids' room. Is there a deliberate intent here somewhere that I'm seeing? And I'm surprised that not many are talking about the fact that it could have been, if at all, it's an intent to rob. It could have been any of these other celebrity homes. Why Saif? And the question around that also arises because here is somebody who entered with impunity, exited with impunity, managed to access the kids' room. This is no trespassing incident. I'm sorry, there has to be much more clarity coming in from Mumbai police.